Next, scenes unseen, the summer of '78. Came to like 1978. I'm finishing the rest of those summer in 1978. Because there's so many of you. Like before in the 80s, or maybe like 79. That was the since unseen the summer of '78, and it was presented by New York Times. I forgot to tell you about. So the next, the one with the more of the African American, what I also
I've been trying to talk to them.
Like my third career. So that's what it was. Our third career was the acting man. It was presented by MO. Okay, here's the next subject, object, creator, presented by Getty Images. That was about the subject, the object, and the offering. It's when we got upstairs. There's more of those pictures that goes into the. But so the first thing that we start. Eyes on New York.
Yeah, we're gonna stroll in Photoville before this happens.
So life is hard. Some experiences designed by members of NYC SBC. Now next, in Korea, do you know where is what does mean Seoul? So that was the first capital of Korea. Well, speaking Korean, I think that was called Korean speaking sensation photography between border. Just gotta tell you about. So the capital city of Korea. Speaking Korea, and just like her. There's another one with Korea.
This is also bananas on the cruise one. So after they broke up, you gotta picture the tightrope.
Why would you even like get attached to
That was that between Korean living in foreign country, foreign living in Korea. That was like two of those ones from the back here. And here's everything for the rest of the Photoville. Here, what I hear announced.
Pretty cool, right?
Yes, it is. Pretty cool. Almost during the nighttime. We were underneath the Brooklyn Bridge. All those Photovilles, all tours, everything. We got all these Photovilles, all tours, and if you're interested what you like about these pictures and the histories, write down in the comments below, and then give it a thumbs up for everybody. Don't forget to click the bell icon notification,
So what did
and
everybody think?
make sure to share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe.
Do you have a favorite or a
And-
least favorite?
If you have your favorite, but if you want to choose
Type
for
of
it,
picture?
what type of pictures and whatever you know about it, and
This, yeah.
you can. Either way, that's for the Photoville. But anyway, so thank you very much for that. Enjoy for the Photoville.